normal waking hours. So, yung ikaw ay nakakatulog bigla-bigla, right? 7 na nakatulog bigla-bigla, tingin ako kung yung natulog. Okay. Children and with ADHD or your attention deficit hyperactivity disorder and narcolepsy, mode of action is very effective in treating this condition, ADHD and narcolepsy. This is the medication. Huwag nyo kakalimutan si Rita, si Baby Rita. Or this is your methylphenidate or your Ritalin. So, iyan ang lagi lumalabas na gamot kapag ADHD ang pinag-uusapan, ha? Now, these are the short-term side effect po ng psychostimulant. Like, anorexia. Ano yung anorexia? Loss of appetite. Right? So, the first is to be followed by weight loss, irritability and tiredness, dizziness and blurring of vision and palpitation. Most example yung lumalabas. Long-term side effect of Ritalin or your methylphenidate, growth suppression. And so part of our nursing management, if the kid with ADHD